Hello dear children, welcome back. I'm Dr. Jisha Joe. In this short video, we will be discussing about the pancreas and the most important questions that you can expect from this small topic. From the topic pancreas, the first question that you can expect is location and role of pancreas. What is the location? Pancreas is located behind the stomach, and the role or the function of pancreas is to secrete the hormones insulin and glucagon. Another question that you can expect is a give reason. Pancreas is both an exocrine and endocrine gland, or pancreas is a mixocrine gland, or it is a heterocrine gland, or the same question in another way, pancreas is both a duct gland as well as a ductless gland. What is the answer that you will write? Pancreas is a duct gland. Where does pancreas act as a duct gland? As a duct gland, pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice into the duodenum of the small intestine. And as a ductless gland, pancreas has the hormone secreting cells called the islets of Langerhans, which secrete three different types of hormones. Which are the hormones secreted? Glucagon, insulin and somatostatin, secreted by the three different types of cells present in this group of cells, which is called as the islets of Langerhans. The three types of cells present are alpha cells, beta cells and delta cells. So that is the answer for this give reason. Now coming to the islets of Langerhans, location and role can be asked. What is the location? A special group of cells present in the pancreas. That is the location. And what is the role? It is concerned with the secretion of insulin, glucagon and somatostatin. Somatostatin is not there in the syllabus, so we will just leave it out. Now coming back to the other two hormones, alpha cells secrete glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin. So here also you can expect a location and role type question. Insulin. What is the location? It is secreted by the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans of pancreas. Okay, and what is the role? Checks the rise of sugar level in blood. How? It promotes the utilization of glucose by the body cells, and also second way, it stimulates the deposition of excess glucose as glycogen in the liver. So that is how you will have to write the role for insulin. Insulin checks the rise of sugar level in blood. This is done in two ways. Number one, it promotes the utilization of glucose by the body cells. And number two, again, if there is excess glucose in the blood, it stimulates the conversion of this glucose to glycogen in the liver. Now, under secretion of insulin. Under secretion means what is less than what is normal, what is normally required by the body. That is under secretion. Under secretion of insulin leads to a condition called hyperglycemia. Insulin checks the rise of sugar level in the blood. So if insulin is not secreted in the right amount, under secretion causes a condition called hyperglycemia, where the glucose level in the blood increases, rises more than what is normal. It is also called as diabetes mellitus. And the second condition is when there is an oversecretion of insulin. When insulin is secreted in excess, what will happen? The glucose level in the blood lowers. And this condition is called hypoglycemia. So you should know the difference between hyperglycemia and hypoglycemia. What is the cause? So hyperglycemia is due to under secretion of insulin, and hypoglycemia is due to over secretion of insulin. Then you should also know the cause of diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus is otherwise, it is another term for hyperglycemia, and diabetes mellitus is also due to under secretion of insulin. Then you will come across a term insulin shock. What is insulin shock? When excess insulin and when an overdose of insulin is given to diabetic patients, then the patient might enter into a coma state, may become unconscious and enter into a coma state. This condition is called insulin shock. Okay, can be asked for explanation or define. Okay, insulin shock, it is a condition when an overdose of insulin is given to a diabetic patient and the patient becomes unconscious and may even enter into a coma state. Now, give reason you can expect is insulin injections are taken or insulin is not taken orally. What is the reason? Insulin is not taken orally. We know insulin injections are taken. What is the reason? That is because insulin is a proteinaceous hormone. It is a protein, and if taken orally, insulin, since it is a protein, will get digested by the protein digesting enzymes present in the digestive system. And so it will not be able to perform its function. So that is the reason why we take insulin injections. Okay, so give reason also you can expect from that. Now coming to glucagon, location and role can be asked. What is the location of glucagon? Glucagon is secreted by the alpha cells of the islets of Langerhans of pancreas. That is how you have to write. Glucagon is secreted by the alpha cells of the islets of Langerhans of pancreas. Now, what is the function or the role of glucagon? Glucagon stimulates the breakdown of glycogen to glucose. Glycogen in the liver is converted to glucose. This is done by glucagon hormone. Don't get confused with glucagon and glycogen. Glycogen is a storage form of sugar. In storage form of carbohydrate in animals is glycogen. Glycogen is stored in the liver, whereas glucagon is a hormone that is secreted by the alpha cells of the islets of Langerhans of pancreas. So children, I hope you have understood the questions that you can expect from this small topic, pancreas. If you have any doubts, please ask your doubts and give your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.